Hello, today it's Friday, right before the Labor Day weekend, and we've got a ton of cars in here that we have to get out because it's Labor Day weekend. So we've got some Subarus, Infinitis, Jeeps. This is our Japanese section of the shop, and also the domestic section. We've got a Volkswagen over here that we're doing an oil change on. We're actually gonna catch Noah in the act of draining the oil right now. So we'll just kind of drain some oil here. There we go. That's draining. They'll be able to go on a trip now. Lots of oil changes today. AC machines out. It's warm. It's hot here in Southern California right now. When the beach is 80, the inland is like 100. So it's warm. We've got some BMWs, some Porsches, some more Porsches, BMWs, Mercedes, a Tesla right out there. We're probably gonna do some tires on it or something. So we've got to get all those cars out.
Right.
Then we've got to come out here, get all these cars out. And then we've got some overflow cars parked up there in the bike shop parking lot. We'll get those out. And that is it. Have a very happy Labor Day.